Did you know that everyday items from your kitchen can actually boost your plant's growth? Items like coffee grounds, eggshells, and even banana peels can provide essential nutrients to your plants and keep them thriving. Welcome to the world of innovative plant care techniques. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a complete beginner, these tips can help you take your plant care to the next level. It's time to ditch the old, overused methods and explore more creative ways to nurture your greenery. Let's dive into some game-changing techniques. We've all been there, trying to keep our plants happy but facing challenges that seem impossible to solve. Maybe you've overwatered, or pests have taken over your favorite plant. Or perhaps your plant isn't getting enough sunlight, leaving it weak and stressed. Overwatering, pest infestations, and lack of sunlight are just a few common issues that can make plant care feel overwhelming. But don't worry, there are plenty of innovative techniques that can help solve these problems and make caring for your plants a breeze. Let's take a look at a few innovative techniques that can change the way you care for your plants. First up, self-watering systems. These are amazing for preventing overwatering. They release just the right amount of water to your plants, keeping them hydrated without the risk of drowning them. Another effective solution is organic pest control. Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, I found that neem oil is a fantastic natural way to keep pests like aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites at bay without harming your plants. Finally, let's talk about custom soil mixtures. Using a well-draining mix can drastically improve your plant's health. For example, mixing in perlite or coco coir helps with aeration and prevents root rot, especially in plants that prefer drier conditions. Out of all these techniques, the most surprising and effective method I discovered was the self-watering system. I used it on my peace lily, which had been struggling with overwatering issues for months. After switching to a self-watering pot, the plant perked up within days and has been thriving ever since. This simple change completely transformed my plant care routine. No more guessing how much water it needs. It's been a game changer for me. There you have it, innovative techniques that can help you overcome common plant care challenges and bring your plants back to life. Remember, plant care is all about experimentation and finding what works best for your space and your plants. I'd love to hear about the techniques you use to keep your plants healthy. Have you tried any of these innovative methods, or do you have a unique tip of your own? Drop a comment below and share your experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips and tricks. In my next video, we'll dive into more advanced techniques to keep your plants looking their best. See you then.